Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magagandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang 100 rupiah. Coins ito ng Indonesia guys, mayroong taon na 1999. I-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang mga impormasyon tungkol sa baryang ito guys ng Indonesia. The 1999 100 rupiah coins from Indonesia is part of the series of coins issued by Bank Indonesia. Here's some historical context and information about the coin. Historical background: the 100 rupiah coin from 1999 is part of the 1991 series or coins which were introduced to replace older currency design. However, it wasn't until 1999 that these coins became widely circulated. Indonesia underwent significant political and economic changes. In the late 1990s, particularly with the financial crisis that hit Southeast Asia in 1997 until 1998, leading to the collapse of the Indonesian rupiah and the fall of President Suharto's regime in 1998. The 100 rupiah coin of 1991 was minted at the time of ongoing economic recovery as Indonesia worked to stabilize its currency and implement new policies. The design of the obverse of the front. The obverse typically features a portrait of the national emblem of Indonesia, the Garuda Pancasila, which symbolizes the state's principles and unity. The reverse side shows the nominal value 100 in large numbers along with the word rupiah. The surrounding design usually includes an intricate pattern or other national symbols. Composition: the 1999 100 rupiah coin is made of a copper nickel alloy. The coin has a diameter of approximately 24 mm and weighs about 7.5 grams. Face value: the face value of the coins is 100 rupiah, but its collector value can vary based on factors such as rarity, condition, and demand. In collector's value, the 1999 100 rupiah coin is not particularly rare in circulation as many were minted and distributed. However, it may have more value to collectors if it is in uncirculated or mint condition. Coins from earlier years or those in pristine condition can fetch higher prices in the numismatic market. The typical value for such a coin in circulation may range from around 1 to 5 US dollar. If in the average condition, pristine, uncirculated version or those with special characteristics such as error coin can attract higher prices. Modern relevance: while it is still legal tender in Indonesia, the coin is not commonly seen in circulation today, as higher denominations such as 500 rupiah coins are more frequently used. The 100 rupiah coin is typically seen in collectors rather than in daily use. If you're interested In finding more precise market values or obtaining this coin, I would recommend consulting specialized coin dealers, auction site, or numismatic communities for up-to-date information. So napakagandang mga information talaga guys. Itong ating 100 rupiah coins ng Indonesia. At yun guys, ang ating mga nakuhang informasyon dito sa ating coins. At maraming salamat sa panonood. At God bless sa ating lahat.